星期一到星期五工作天天很忙 Monday to Friday working's busy every day 看着手机我突然想到了你 Looking at my phone I suddenly thought of you 我们有很多时间没有见面 We have a lot of time and haven't met 听说你最近过得很不错 I heard that lately you are doing very well 虽然大家都太忙常常忘记休息 Although everyone is too busy and often forgets to rest 但是好朋友天天都在心里 But good friends are always in the heart every day 这个周末你有时间吗 This weekend do you have time 我很想你我们见个面吧 I miss you very much Let's meet up 找一个地方一起喝杯茶 Find a place and drink a cup of tea together 高兴地说说最近的事情 Happily talk about things lately 你还记得吗以前的日子 Do you still remember the old days 两个人说话从白天到黑夜 Two people talking from day to night Now the world is very fast but we haven't changed 我的好朋友我一直在这里 My good friend I'm always here 这个周末你有时间吗 This weekend do you have time 我很想你我们见个面吧 I miss you very much Let's meet up 找一个地方一起喝杯茶 Find a place and drink a cup of tea together 高兴地说说最近的事情 Happily talk about things lately 天气晴天或下雨我都想见你 Whether sunny or rainy I both wanna see you 给我写个讯息吧